Want to see the official DJI trailer for the Bigger Picture event? It just leaked. Courtesy of a DJI Leaks website called Kanzaji, we can bring you the official trailer now. Links to the original article are in the video description, so head over and say thanks to them guys. Let's roll it.
For more than a decade, we've taken the dimension of space to give you the freedom of flight. But did you think we'd stop there? Let us take you beyond the horizon, where something incredible awaits. It's about time.